Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with the West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about, can you install silicone coating over a roof with fractures, holes, or cracks? Someone actually called me the other day and said, hey, the contractor wants to put coating over my roof. We have a couple fractures and cracks. Is this a good idea? And it is, but there's a lot more that goes into that question. So the first question I had for him was, what existing roof do you have? You can put silicone coating over any roof. The only one we would advise not to is a gravel built-up roof. And that's only because there's a lot of embedments. The coating has to go into those embedments first, and it would cost you 4 times more to do that than another roofing system. So that's one. And the second thing is, what kind of preparation is going to be done? You can't just, clean a roof and put coating over it and that's the end of the day. You got to remove all the wet areas. You have to treat the seams if there are any. You have to do adhesion tests. So you just need to understand what kind of preparation is going into that before you put coating over that roof. I know a lot of people are doing coating these days because there's minimal tear off of your roof. It's not considered another roof system. So a lot of benefits to coating there, but if you have a roof that has a couple cracks and splits, just want to know there's a couple things you have to do before you can put coating over that. So it is possible, just look into it more before you simply say yes. So if you want to learn more about this topic, please click the URL in the description. There's more details there. And if you have any questions about your roof that may have some issues with it, give us a call and we'll see what we can do. Hope you learned something new today, and thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.